Here are 3 easy lawn care tips for the month of February to help you create a lawn that your neighbors are absolutely going to envy. My name is Ron Henry, owner of the Golf Course Lawn Store, where we help people create amazing lawns. The first lawn care tip for the month of February is around conducting a soil test. One of the most common questions we get this time of year is which fertilizer is the best fit for my lawn? Unfortunately, that question is practically impossible to answer accurately without the data that you get from conducting a soil test. A soil test is going to tell you what nutrients are deficient in your soil, as well as tell you what your soil pH is. Now, soil pH might be something you've never really heard of, but it has a big influence on the health of your grass because it directly influences how well the fertilizer that you apply is able to be used by your grass. So conduct a soil test. They're really easy to use, and by doing that, you'll be able to make an informed decision as far as which fertilizer is best. The second tip is around weed prevention. Everyone hates weeds in their lawn, and one of the easiest ways to keep your lawn weed-free in the spring and summer is by applying a specialized herbicide called pre-emergent. Pre-emergent is, as the name implies, a specialized herbicide that helps prevent weeds prior to them emerging. So you apply it this time of year, and when weeds begin to try and grow in your lawn, it's going to kill the roots of the weed, which in turn prevents the weed from growing. Now, if you're in the southeastern United States, the month of February is a good time to get your pre-emergent out, but the most accurate time to apply it is before soil temperatures are in the mid-50s. So if you Google my zip code, average soil temperatures, an application will come up or a website will come up that'll tell you in your area what the average 5-day is. And just before the soil temps are in the mid-50s is when you're gonna wanna get your pre-emergent applied. It's far less expensive to prevent weeds in the first place than it is to have to use more expensive herbicides to take care of them after the fact. It's also healthier for your grass. The third tip, and this one really applies to warm season lawns, is to consider scalping your lawn. Scalping is a great way to reset the lawn and get it ready for fresh growth in the season. And as far as lawns that would be ones that you'd want to consider scalping would be Bermuda grass or zoysia grass. Scalping isn't something you would do for cool season lawns. So again, even in the warm season lawn category, Bermuda and zoysia are the ones you're gonna wanna go for. The timing of when you want to do this is if you're planning on putting out, say, granular fertilizer in the month of March, you want to get your scalping done before then because you're going to get all that debris cleaned out. It's going to allow your fertilizer to get into the soil where it can work better, and overall is going to help you beat the competition by helping your lawn green up 2 to 3 weeks sooner than everyone else. Well, I hope these tips were super helpful for you. If you want to see a month-by-month product breakdown of what you can do to create an amazing lawn, check out this link that we'll have here, which takes you to an application, a calendar on the Golf Course Lawn Store that'll help you get the lawn of your dreams. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.